welcome back. I'm very sorry. The other video, and this is where we stopped in the first video, but I think my what is it called? My screen recording has a little bit issue, so I need to stop that video and do another video and continue here. So this is where we stop. And if I'm able to join the video together, this video will be one video. But if I'm not able to join them together, that means I'm going to upload them on YouTube separately. So, but just follow the tutorial. Now, this is the first category. I think the second category we want to create is sandals. Yeah. So you just need to scroll down. So once you scroll down, click on add new category. So once you click on add new category, it will automatically add to it. Can you see it has added to this place? Now, the next category we want to create now is business shoe. Can you see it? Business shoe. Let me just copy this. I'm going to take away that. So come here again, paste it here. So I'm going to take away this. Now, the next category is business shoe. So you just need to scroll down again and add it again. Click on add new category. Now, by the time you do this now, we have added the 3 category we want to do. And don't forget, in the previous video, as we have created this particular menu, this home and contact us now, and we have created our own category now. Now, what is the next thing? Because if you look at this site, now, all those, there's nothing showing fault. So that means there's a need for us to go and create our menu. Now let's go ahead and do that. Then come back here. Now let's go and create our menu. Just scroll to your settings. Let me scroll down, or come to your appearance and click on your menu. Can you see this is it? Click on this menu. So once you click on this menu, it's going to take you to where you can do what? You can create your menu. I hope you are following me, and I'm very sorry for the distraction the other time. Now, it's going to take you to where you can create your menu. And the first thing you need to do when you get to where you can create your menu is that you need to come here and type main menu. And let me just call it main menu. So click on it and click on this, only this. Can you see? And click on create menu. So once you do this two now, it automatically create the menu for you. Then what do you now need to do? The next thing you need to do is to add some content, to add some pages to the menu. And come here, if you look at this, under the main menu, these are the menu we have: home, shop, contact, my account. Now you'll be surprised. Do we create this shop page? Do we create this my account page? No, we didn't create it. But immediately we install WooCommerce. WooCommerce will automatically create some page for us. I'm going to show you all the page WooCommerce create for us in this video. So let's go ahead and let's add home, contact, shop, and my account. So that's the page we're going to add to this menu, and we're going to rearrange them. So let's wait for it to add. Yeah, it's added. Now let's rearrange them. Home should be first. Shop should follow. Contact, my account. Yeah, that's good. So you click on save menu. Now let's wait for it to load. Now the stuff has actually been saved. Yeah, we have created our menu now. Now the next thing we need to do is to go and create another menu that will be called secondary menu. What is this secondary menu? This is where we'll be adding all this stuff. All this stuff you are seeing here, that's what we'll be adding it. So let's come to our menu and let's create a new menu. Can you see it here? Click on create a new menu. So once you click on create a new menu, it's going to open up to you. So we're going to create another menu called secondary menu. So let's come here and I'm going to call it secondary menu. Now let me just call it secondary menu. Can you see? Don't assign it to anywhere. Just click on create menu. So once you click on create menu, what are the things we want to put there? Don't forget, we said we want to put all those our categories, product categories. But if you look at it here, you won't see any product category here. Yeah, there's something you need to do. Now let me show you what you need to do. Just scroll up and come to this screen option. So you see, click on it. Once you click on it, you will see a particular place. Can you see product category? It's not ticked, so just tick it. Once you tick it, close it back again and scroll down. You will see it here. Can you see it? This is it. So click on this drop down and come to this viewer and add all the product category. These are the 3 we created. Add it to the menu. Now we have added to the menu. Yeah, I like the way this one is arranged, so you don't need to rearrange them again. Business. Okay, let me just do it. Let me do it like this. Sneakers. Or let me do it like this. Yeah. So what will you need to do? Don't assign it to anything. Just click on save menu. Now after we have created that, we still need to go and create another menu again. Why do we need to create another menu again? We want to create another menu for our footer. All these things you are seeing here, they are menu. So let's go and create it. So just come here and click on create new menu. So once you click on create new menu, just call it footer menu 1. Footer menu 1. And don't assign it to anywhere, just click on create menu. So once you click on create menu now, what are the things we want to put on our footer menu 1? They are just very simple. We want to put this, all this home, shop and contact. That's what we want to put there. So let's go ahead and do that. Home, shop and contact. Add to the menu. You might be surprised, why are we doing all these things? Don't worry, you'll get to know very soon. And click on save menu. So we're getting there. The next thing we need to do again is that we need to go and create another menu again. Don't forget that we have footer menu, 3 footer menu, 1, 2, 3. This one is small menu. So I will show you. So we need to go and create another menu for categories. Come here again, create another menu again. Click on create a new menu. So when you click on create a new menu, just title it footer menu 2 and create menu. Hope you're getting it. Now, so once you do that again, what do we want to do? We want to add only category under this particular place. So you come to this category, you click on view all, you select 1, 2, 3, add to the menu. So under footer menu 2 now, we have all these category, right? So click on save menu. Now it remains one, that is footer menu 3. So let's create that now. Let's create a new menu, and that will be footer menu 3. And what we want to put there is this: my account, cart and checkout. So we call it footer menu 3. Footer menu 3. And don't assign it to anything. Click on create menu. So wait for it to create. Now it has created. Now what do we want to do to this? We want to add my account, cart and checkout. So add it to menu. Those are the 3 things we want to add to this menu: my account, cart and checkout. So click on save menu. Then we are done with creating our menu. But do you notice something? Despite the fact that we have created our menu, nothing is changing here. If you look at this place, you will not see anything here. Though you see the menu we create here, but you will see that when you click on this side, it should take us to this place. But it's not taking us to this place, it's taking us to another place. So what do we need to do in this kind of situation? We need to go and set this home. Now, if you click on this home now, look at how it will look like. Now, can you see this? Now, if you look at here, you will see /home. We don't want it to be like that. We want it to be in such a way that when people click on our website straight, it should take them to this home straight. So how do we go about that? Let's come here. Now, go down and go to your setting. Can you see it here? This is your setting, and come to your reading. Click on your reading. So once you click on reading, it will open something for you. You will see your home page display. You see your latest post, which is very bad. Just put it in a static page. Now it will now ask you, okay, select which page do you want to use for your home page. That is where you come here and you come and select home. Can you see? And click on save changes. Yeah, cool. We are getting there. Seriously, we are getting to the place now. So let's come here. Now you are seeing this here now. Now let me take away this. Let me delete it and type enter. Can you see that we are still coming to the same place? Can you see it now? Now that's cool. Now let's go forward. Let's come back to our dashboard again. There's something I want us to do again. I want us to go and design our header and our footer. We have footer and we have our header. Then what do we need to do now? The first thing we need to do is just to come to, you can either come from here, go to your what is it called, appearance, and come to your customize, or you come from here. I like to always come from here. When you view your site, you see customize here. Can you see it? So click on your customize. So this will enable you to do some certain things. So once you click on your customize, you wait for it to load. Now guys, can you see this is what it's showing us now? Wow, that's cool. The first thing we need to do is to come here. Can you see your general option? Just click on it. Once you click on your general option, come to general styling. Click on it. Now in this general styling, we have two things we want to do here. We want to change our primary color and we want to change our over primary color. Those are the two things we want to do here. And what is the color we'll be using? We'll be modeling after this. Yeah, this is what we'll be modeling after. So let's come back here. I have the short code here. You can just see it. Let me show you the short code. Can you see for the primary color? This is what we'll be using. And that is a color for red. So just come here, okay, customize rather. For the primary color, click on this color and paste your own here. Can you see now? This is what we want to be using. If you notice, immediately we paste this color here, this thing changed. Let me leave it back to default. Can you see now it changed to default? But let me paste our own color here. Can you see it changed back to red? Yeah, that's how we want it. So you come out, and you come to your over. Let me show you the color for your over. This is color for your over. 2B002F. That is the color code. So just click on your over. Click on your over and paste the color here. Yeah, this is the color we'll be using. 2B00, stuff like that. So you just scroll down here. If you feel like you want to change the link color, also will follow the same method. For the link color, we're going to follow the same method. Paste this here and come here and type in your color code here, #FF0000. Yeah, that's what we want to be doing now. Once you are done with here, click on publish. That's cool. So we're done. So come back again. You go to your general setting. Can you see it here? Click on the general setting. Wait for it to load. Just come to this place and click on layout. We want full width. Click on the full width. Now, once you click on the full width, you scroll down again here. You see under search for post per page. We also want full width. Can you see it? If you want to upload your logo, you can upload it, but now this is not the time. Just click on publish again. So we come back here. Let's come back again. What text again do we need to do here? Theme button. No, I'm not sure we need to do anything here. Border radius, background color. I'm not sure we need to do anything here. Let's go back. And if there's a need for us to do anything here, we'll come back and do it. Now we are done with under general stuff. Now we need to come to our header. Under general option, we are done with it. Now we need to come to, let's do something on typography first. Under the typography, click on general. Okay, just go back. Just come to main menu. Can you see it? Main menu. Click on it and change it here. Come to font side. Okay, let me see. Font family. Font family. That's what I'm looking for. Just search for Montserrat. This is it, Montserrat. Click on it. Can you see that it changed now? That's what I love using. You can decide to put it in 14 and you can decide to leave it like that, but I think I will be leaving it like that. You can change the front side to capital, front side to capital letter. Text transform to uppercase. Yeah, right how I want it. So click on publish. Now once you publish, come back again. I think that is the only thing we need to do here. Page title. We need to do anything here. Page title. Let's do the same thing. Montserrat. See, this is it. Montserrat. Just click on publish. But we won't be needing it because I will be taking away this page title now. Now click on back again. Click on back again. Now let's come to our header. Can you see it? Header. This is it. Don't forget, this is the first place we went to. After we finish here, we come to typography. After we finish here, we are coming to header now. Just click on your header. Now when you come to your header, there are some things we need to do. Let's start from your general. Click on your general. And once you look at this, you will see minimal. You can either wait for it. Sometimes once you click on it, it might be only this one you will first see. Just wait a little bit for it to do the drop down. Now, once you are there, you can come here. You will see all this. You can decide to put center. Now choose center. That is what we'll be using. It will take the logo to center. Can you see it now? Yeah. Now scroll down. The background color is white. Leave this one as default. Now, what do you know? We have a menu here. We have a logo here now because we have center it. What do you not want to have in this particular left menu? This is your right, this is your center, and this is your left. What do you want to have here? This is where you will come here and select your menu. You will now choose secondary menu. Hope you are getting it like this. Can you see now that it's looking alike little by little? So, okay. Now you can just scroll down again. Okay, just scroll up. You can decide to increase this or reduce it, but let's just click on publish first. Now we have published it. Let's go back and let's come to header media. But for now, I think we won't be doing our header media. We won't be doing anything here. We won't be doing anything here for now. Go back. Go to your logo. Now here, this is where we want to select our logo. Click on this logo. Now this I told you I will be giving you all the file. This is the folder. This is the folder for you to build your stuff. Here we have all the images, your logo, your stuff. They are all here. So I'm going to click on this. This one is for the logo for here. Why this one is for product image. So open this please. I got this file from my boss. So I'm going to select all, and let me just open here, and let me just do minimize. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I will just drag all this stuff and drag it to this place. Can you see I highlight everything and I drag everything to this place? So let me make it full back. So what I need to do now is just to wait for a little bit for all this image to do what? To upload. So let me just pause the video for them to upload finish. Now they are all uploaded now. Now this is the logo here. In case you are using my file, just pick this one as your logo. In fact, I want you, if I'm a student, I want you to do the same site. So just select it. So once you select it, you ask you to crop it. Just crop it, this one to this place, and this one a little bit, and click on crop image. And that is what will be your logo. Now, if you look at it, to change here now, just wait for it a little bit. So, can you see now it has changed? Now the next thing you need to do, just click on publish. Now if you look at it now, you'll see that it has done here now. Now what you need to do now is that you can decide to increase the width if you like it, maximum width or the light, but let us leave that alone, and let's go back here. Let's go back again. Come to your menu. Now your menu, what do we need to do here? Let's just see, wait for it to load down, and you can scroll down a little bit. Let's see the padding. Let me reduce the padding to 10. Yeah, now I reduce that to 10, and let me scroll down again. Link color, we have talked about this link color and the like, but if you still want to, you can just put in your stuff, the normal color we're using. But I think, let me look at this. I think I will just be leaving it like this. I will just leave all this thing like this, and I will click on save changes. Now once I'm done with this, I will come back again. There's something I want to do under this general. Okay, let me look at this social menu. Now this social menu, you can actually enable it, but we will not be enable it here. We'll be doing it at the normal page, another page. So I'm going to go back now. Mobile menu, you don't have anything to do here. Just go back. You don't really have menu. Now this, I actually want to do something. I want to increase this stuff. Let me scroll here. Okay, maybe we should leave it like this then, or either with full width. Let's leave it like that. So the next thing we need to do now is, we are done here. Let's go back and let's go to do we need to do anything here? Nothing again, nothing. So let's go to, okay, link effect. We don't want to have anything there. Let's go back. Now since we are done with our general and stuff like this, you go back again. Now we want to do something. You can just come back to your home page setting. Can you see it? Home page setting, static page. Okay, there's something I want us to do something. That top bar. What is this top bar? Let me show you the top bar. This is it. You know, here we have a bar here, a menu bar here. It's because I log in. If not, you will not be seeing all this menu bar. That is what we want to create now. So just come here, click on this general, and you see it's enable top bar. You can either click on this one to make it full width, yeah, and show on all device, yes. Now what you need to do now is that I want this text to be here, and I want my social media link to be here. So I can click on this and change it to left social media and right content. So our social media button will be here, while our content will be here. So now let's scroll down. The background color, I'll be making use of this second color. Yeah, this. I'm making use of this. So I'll just come back here and yeah, this is what I want to be using. So why the text color? Let me go and change the text color to white, off white. So link color, I can change the link color to white also. Link color to be white also. Link color over, I don't need to do anything. Okay, I can just change it to red. FF0000 red. So maybe I shouldn't make it full. Let me just leave it like this. Yeah. So this is that. Now, so what we need to do now is to put some word here. Now let me just copy this word here. I don't really have much time to be doing all this thing. Need a help, call. I'll just come here. So where the wording? How do we get the word? So now once we are done here, click on publish. Now let's go to where we can edit the word. Now just go back here, come to content. Can you see it? I hope you are getting it, and I hope I'm not too fast. Please let me know if I'm too fast. Let me know in the comment section. If I'm too slow, let me know. If you are getting it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. So click on this content and put in your word here. Do you need help? Okay, call this number then. Now if you look at this, place, there's a little different here. Here you see a link here which is logout. How do you do that? So come here. To set a link here, what you need to do is to, you can either put a space bar here, this bar, or let me just make it close to that one. Yeah, and you want to put a link here, and the link I want to put here is logout. So I will click on see the list of link. Once I click on that see I'm going to click on this. Once I click on this, it will take me to this place, to all the document of short code for this particular store. So can you see this now? This is what I will just copy. I'll just copy this, Ctrl C, and I'll come here and I will paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. Now immediately I paste it here now, all I need to do is, can you see you are seeing this? But don't worry about that, just click on publish. Once you do that, click on go back again. Your social media now, enable social media now. You can decide to select the one you want. Let's say I want Twitter. I don't have Twitter account. The one I have, they are banning too. I want Facebook. I'll put hashtag here. I don't know my link of it. I want YouTube. I want Instagram and YouTube. Just put hashtag here. In your own case, you can put your own link. Hashtag is also a link, but a dummy link. It doesn't link to anywhere, but you just see that there's a link here. So can you see it now? I think I'm done. Now I think I'm done now. So I'm going to click on link color. What do I want the link color to be? I want it to be red. I can make my own link color to be red F0000. Yeah, to be red. Is red okay, or I should make it white? Okay, let me go for red. It's okay. Over color, I will leave over color. I'm just going to publish. So once I click on publish, I'm done with this now. Now let's go and check what we have been doing. Let's see how it look on the desktop mode. And then let's see how it look like. Let's wait for it to load. Now if you look at it now, I think it's fine. It's you know, it's looking alike a little bit. It's looking alike. Okay, let's continue. So we need to do the footer section also. So let's click on customize again. Let me open this place in a new tab so that I will not be closing and be coming. I don't need this short code again. Let me close this short code. Now let's wait for it to load. Now guys, now can you see let's look at the footer now this time around. Now let's come to the footer. So come to the footer section. Can you see this footer button? Just click on it. You will see something here like, okay, you can just clean this place and put design. Okay, let me make it capital letter. Designed by the leading web design. Now, all you need to do now is to scroll down. It's okay. I think I like the color. Let me see what I use for the color here. Yeah, that is it. So, yeah, we are still on the same page. So I like the color, but I wanna let me see. I'm going to click on publish. So once I click on publish, I'm going to come here again. I want to come and do something in footer widget. Can you see footer widget here? So click on it. So you wait for it to load. Now footer widget, what you want to do is that we want to change this color. So I will just come here. Let me see the color I use here. I think I use something like this. Darker blue. I'll just come here, background color. I'll just change it to, and just do something like this. Let me choose something like this. No, the color is going against each other. Okay. I think this is a little bit okay. What is the name? I don't even know the color stuff. So I think it's okay like this. And text color, the text color will be white. Yeah, I think that's what I did. Yeah, it's white. text color will be purely white. Border color, we don't need border color. Okay, now I will show you something. I will still come back to this place to come and show you something. Click on publish. Now, once we have done with this place, we don't need to do anything here again. But we are still coming back here. But I want to come and show you something. Let's go back to our dashboard now. I hope you are getting this tutorial. Now, there's something we need to do in our dashboard. Don't forget that we want to do a footer menu that look like this. And don't forget that when we are installing our template, our what is it called, our plugin, we install what we call classic editor. Now that classic editor is what will help us in this aspect now. Now come to your appearance and come to widget. So when you come to appearance and we click on widget, now what we want to do is that it is because of the help of that classic widget that we install that will help us now. Now here, just click on this custom menu. Can you see it? Custom menu. Click on it and choose footer 1. And choose footer 1. Click on add widget. So it will add again. Now click on custom menu again. Choose footer 2 and click on add widget. Choose custom menu again and choose footer 3 and click on add widget. So the next one is now we'll be looking for is text, and text is here. Where is text? Text, come down. Text, yeah, this is text, and you will now choose footer 4 for the text and click on add widget. Now we are done. Let's begin to edit our widget. Now footer 1, this is where we talk about the complaint. Can you see the complaint? Ctrl C. The complaint, you just put, here. Now put what you want to put here is Ctrl C, complaint. Now, which menu do you want to use? Don't forget that we were creating footer menu 1, footer menu 2, footer menu 3 that time. Now that is the purpose. This is the purpose of we creating them. You just click on the menu you want to use, footer menu, and you come and change the color. Now the color code, don't forget we have a color code. The main menu color is white. No, I think it's red rather. What is it called? FF0000. Now this is it. Why the over is this color? I'm forgetting the number of the color. I think 2B 2000F. Paste it here. Yeah, we are done with that. Click on save stuff. So once you click on save, the next one I want to come and do here is categories. Don't forget what we are. This is what we have here, categories. So you can just copy this. Just paste it here. Select menu 2. Now that is what we did. Menu 2, and the color, don't forget it's still the same color, FF00, no, 0000. Why the overlay will be 2B002F. Yeah, you close that again. You click on save menu. Once you click on save menu, you scroll down again. Okay, you can click on done if you want to click on done. You can also click on done here again. Now you scroll down again. You come to footer 3. Footer 3. What? Open it. Footer 3. What will be our footer 3? Footer 3 will be our account. My account. That is what we have here. My account. Just copy it. So paste it here. Select the menu. That will be footer menu 3. And scroll down to the color. What is the color? Don't forget the color is red, which is FF0000. And you come here again. This one will be 2B002F. You choose that again. You scroll down. You click on save, and if you like, you can click. Once done, you click on done. So that it remains the last one. Now the last one, you will not put any text here. you will only come down here. Once you come down here, just click on add media. Now add media, you will see tools logo here. You want them to be able to pay with their card, pay with this, and want them to be able to pay with Bitcoin. These are the two. Which one should be first? I think the Visa should be first. Let Visa be first. Let me tick this. Now I will now click on this. Let me click on this. So I will come here and click on this, making choose. So cool. I will click insert post. So once I insert it now, can you see now this is how I want it? Yeah, cool. I will click on save changes. Wow, guys, let's go and check our footer. You can click on done if you like. Now, guys, let's check our footer. Let's see how it is. Just click on Ctrl R to refresh. Wow, 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 wow. We are getting to the end of it. Guys, can you see what we're talking about? Can you see that it's becoming nice and perfect now? Then you don't forget, I told you something, you know, all this line, you can decide to take it away. And if you like it like this, it's fine. But in case you want to take it away, that is why I said you should open this place. Now, guys, you know I told you that time that you should not close this place. Now, there's something you want to do. You see this border color? We're going to reduce it. That is what we are seeing here. This color you are seeing here, all this line, that is what we call border color. So in case you don't know how we get to this place, let me show you again. You come to footer. Let me go back. You come to your footer widget. You scroll down and you see the border color here. So click on it, and once you come here, you bring this to this place. So once you bring it to this place, click on publish and come back to this place and refresh. Yeah, it is done. So come back to this place and refresh. Now, guys, if you come back to this place and you refresh, you see that the line is no longer here again. So that is actually how to go about all this thing. Can you see it now? Very nice, very neat. What do we need to do now? We need to start building our website. Now, but before we start building our website, there's something we need to do. What do we need to do? We need to go and create our product categories first. If you look at all these places you are seeing here, they are all product categories work. Can you see them? Majority of them are product categories. Naturally, I should have, uploaded template. But before even though I want to give you this template, I need to first, create a product categories. So let's go ahead and do that without wasting much of our time. So just come back to, let me just go back to, we don't need to do it, but I feel like I can still increase this place. I want to increase this size a little bit. Let me come here. Let me go back and go to my, general option. General styling, and wait a little bit. I want to increase this size. Okay, it's not here. I will increase the size. Let me go back. Let me go to general setting. Let me wait for it to load. Not here. Page title. Not here. I think that would be header. Team button. No. Let me check. I'm sorry, I just want to check something. Team button. No, we're not doing anything there. Let me go to the header. Header. Where are you? Okay, do this. General. There's something I want to increase, and if I could not, I just want it to be more bold, a little bit bold. Height, let me see the 74. Let me leave this to 74. Secondary menu, padding, as in full width. Make it a full width. Let me publish it first. So let me just go up here. Menu. let's switch one. I want the menu to be a little bit big. Should I say that I should increase this 180? Let me try and increase this to 2. See, let me just leave this. Let me just leave. We'll come back to this later. So let me just focus on. Oh, I think we are done from here. Let me close it. I don't want this video to be too long. So, but actually, I just feel like I can increase the store a little bit. Yeah, but it's okay like this. Now let's start. Let's come to our dashboard here. Now let's come to products and all products. Don't forget, I told you the next thing we want to do now is to do what? To build our site. But if at all, if we want to build our site, we need to at least have some product on our website. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to show you how to do 2 products. At least we must have like 8 products, minimum of 8 products. Now I'm going to just do 2 products for you so you can see how to go about that. And after that, I'm going to pause the video to upload the remaining products so that I will not be wasting much of our time. Now the first thing we need to do now is you can click on either add new or you click on create a product. Can you see? Either you click on this create a product or you click on add new. But let me just click on create a product. So I'm going to click on create a product and wait for it to take me to where I can create my product. Now, if you look at it, the first thing you're going to see all this product name. Just close it. You are not a newbie again. This is just to show you, okay, if you are a newbie, that's how to go about it. That's what they are trying to say. So just scroll down here. So I'm going to be making use of the name of all these products. I'm going to click on this just to get details and the like. So now, a lot of people were actually chatting me up. Michael, how do you do this? How do you do that? How do you do this? Color, all these things. It's very simple. So it's very, very simple. So the first thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click on this place to copy this name, and let me drag this one to this place so that it will be very close to each other. So I'm going to come here, put the product name here. Does it have any product category? Let me scroll down. Yeah, product write up, description. Okay, let me just copy all this. Ctrl C and paste that here. So I'm done. You can just scroll down here. Now when you scroll down here, what do you want to do? You want to put your price tag. Now one thing you need to understand is that if you are they have in e-commerce, we have simple product. Let me explain all this. We have simple product, group product, external or affiliate product, and variable product. Simple product is a product that has its own price tag. Why group product are product that is grouped together. And why external product are maybe like if you are advertising or the product is not your own product, it's just an affiliate, you are an affiliate. Why variable product is a product that have different price per different, per different color, all the lights, and just stuff like that. So what I need to do is that what you need to do now is just to come. We'll be using variable product. Variable products are products that just have close this one, Jerry. Now, variable products are products that have like maybe like you want to sell a shoe, you now have different color, you have different size, so they are variable products. So that kind of stuff they are talking about. And if you are creating a variable product, you need 2 things. The first thing you need is you need attribute and you need variation. So let's start from attributes. So come here and click on your attribute. So once you click on your attribute, the first thing you want to do is you want to talk about the color. Now you come here, how many colors do you have? Okay, we have red. You need to differentiate it with something like this. Can you see red? We have black, and you put this different divider. Black, red, ash. Let me just put ash. That's all. So you click on save attribute. So it automatically save that to you. You will scroll down again to add another attribute again. You can just say add attribute. Add. You want to also add another one again. You come here and say size. So size, you come here again, put it, we have size 40. You put your divider, size 41. Put your divider, size 42. Let's just for just training sake, you click on save attribute. So once you are done, we have two attributes now. We have color and we have size. Now the next thing you need to do now is to come to this your variation. Now click on variation. Once you click on your variation, you can now begin to create a variation. Okay, you can either create the variation manually, or you can use this one to automatically create it for you. Just click on generate variation and you click on OK. What this variation means is that the black shoe you have a red, black color, white color, and what? An ash color. Can you see? Then we have 9. So that means where the red, now we have red size 41, red size 42. You know, all that kind of stuff. That is it. It automatically creates it for you. Once you are done with it, now there's one thing you need to do. You can decide to add the price manually by clicking on this place. It will open the drop down for you and you can put your price here. But since it is the same shoes, but it's just that size is different, so I will use the same price for everything. So to use the same price for everything, just click on this bulk action. Click on the bulk action to show a drop down and click on set a regular price. Click on it and I will say okay, 45,000 naira for all this shoe, and you click OK. So it automatically set the price for all the stuff. So once the price is set, we are done. All we need to do is to come and upload our picture image. Now let me just say, let me look at this shoe here. It's Adidas trainers. Okay, now the next thing I need to do is to come and upload my picture image. Now, and I don't have a picture image yet. I will upload them. So this is my select product image. I don't have the picture image yet, so I'm going to come back again to my laptop. You can either come to your upload, click on here and go and pick the picture, but I love to always do it. Should I say, I will just come here, click on this place. I think I have a picture here, so I will just come here and come to e-commerce folder. I'll be giving you access to the folder. You see product now. This is the product image. Double click on it to open it for you and select Ctrl A and drag them here. Once you select all of them, drag them here. So once you drag them here, I will pause this video to make sure to wait for the picture to upload. Now the next thing, now guys, so this is the shoe. This is the shoe we want to use as a product image. So I'm going to select the product image now. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to close this and I'm going to come down here to come and add my product category gallery. So I'm going to click on it. So the product gallery I will just be adding for this is okay, all this image 1 2 3 4. Okay, I'll just come here, product gallery for sneakers. Let me pick this, let me pick this, let me pick this, let me pick this, and let me pick this. So that's it. So I'm going to click on add. So these are the image I want to pick now. So I think I should remove this. Okay, 1 2 3 4. I can even remove this to remain 3. Yeah, this 3 is okay. Now under which category? Is under sneakers. So can you see it now? The next thing I need to do is just to do what? Click on publish. And once I click on publish, I'll open the site for us to see how it look like. So let's view it. Let me open it in a new tab. And let's see the size and how it look like. You see that it's quite very simple. Believe me, all these things are very simple. So you just need to know how to go about it, how to do your stuff, and that's all. So once you know how to do all these things, they are very cool. If you have any issue, you can reach out to me on it. I'm going to help you on it. So if you look at it now, if you come here and select option, you can pick any color you want, and at the same time you can select any size you want. Guys, can you see it's very simple? All these things are very simple. So I'm going to close this site. Let's go back. Let's add another product again. Let's add new product again. Add new product. So the new product I want to do is that I am gonna let me just look at a new product here. Let me go back. Let me add one from this business shoe. So I would just like to add one from this business shoe, and from there, okay, this is the first business shoe. What is the name? Let me see the name. The name is Desia. I don't even know what I call it. Why is my I'm just going to copy this name, Ctrl C, come back here, add the name here. I won't add any product tag to it. I will just leave it. I will make this one a single product. I will just come here and put the price here. This one is 40k, or let me just say 50k, 50,000 naira. So I will just add the image. The product category will be a business shoe. The image I will be adding to it will be a, let me see the image of this shoe. This is the image. So where is it? Okay, I'm going to pick this. So this is the image I want to put as the product image. So I'll be selecting a product category gallery. So the product gallery will be all this, all this shoe. It depends on the one you collect from your clients. You can decide to get yours from your clients. I can even pick this with it. So just for tutorial sake, so I'm going to pick this too. So I'm going to click on publish. So I'm going to open it for us so you can see the stop also, so we can see what we're doing. Now let's view the site in a new tab. So let's view the site in a new tab. So let's see what we have done. Wow, this is a shoe. Can you see it? So very nice shoe. It's okay. So let's move forward. No time. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to pause this video to add the remaining products so that I won't be wasting much time. Hello guys, now I've added all the products to this place. Now what I want to do is I want to make some product a feature image. Now what I need to do is just to click on probably like this particular shoe. I think I like it. I will make it all I need to click is just to click on this star. So it will automatically change it to a features image. Then I will scroll down, I will scroll again to which another one again. I think I like this one. I'll click on this. And let me just look for one more again. I think there's one more I should like. Yeah, this. Let me just scroll to this one. So now this will be my feature image, while the rest will just be under their own categories. Now I think from now, if I've done all this thing now, I've uploaded product on it and I've shown you how you can upload product, either variable product or a simple product. A simple product is a product that just have the picture of the product and their price. But while variable product are products that have the picture of the site, they are in different categories. So what we need to do now is to start building our website. You can decide to build from scratch. I can decide to make use of this template, the one I use for here. But I would like to show you some things here. Let me show you this side. So I would like to show you some things here so that we can see how this stuff goes. Now the first thing we need to do now is to come here, come to your pages, click on all pages. Don't forget that we only create 2 pages, but immediately we install WooCommerce. WooCommerce created this page for us, this page for us, this page for us, this page for us. Why this one and this one are just normal stuff. So I can even decide to trash them out. Let me just trash them. So I've trashed that alone, and I also want to trash this also. I don't need them. Now the next thing now we want to do now is to click on this home page. That is the site you want to edit. Now click on edit. So once you click on edit, it will take you to the place where you can edit your website with Elementor. Don't forget, we make use of Elementor to edit our website. But one thing I want us to do is, if you look at this place, you will see your home page here. If you see home here, I don't want that to be here. So what I need to do is to come here. I can just come to title and I'll click on disable. So and I'll update. So immediately I disable it, if I come here and refresh, you won't see this home again. Can you see that you are not seeing that home again? That's nice. So let's start designing now. So click on edit with Elementor. Now you wait for it to take you to the Elementor page. So let's wait for it. Now so guys, you will see once you get to Elementor page, just close this page. Now and close this one. Now let's follow this. Let's look at this. You see an heading here and you see all this stuff here. So let's start. I'm going to come here, just select one. Okay, let me close this page. So select this one page, click on this one page. So once you click on this one page, come here, make it 600, make it full width, a full width, and make the height, minimum height, and make it a minimum height of 600. 600. Now, cool. So you come to style, change it from style, pick this one, slideshow. So you click here to upload the image you want to use. So I'm just going to use this image, the first category of image I have here. I'll pick this, I'll pick this, I'll pick this, and what else again? I'll pick this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's okay for me. I'll pick this 4. I can even add, let me add one more to it. Let me add one more to it. I want to add this one to it. I want to add this to, I saw a hair, I want to add this to it. So yeah, it's cool now. So I'll put it here. I will insert. Now the site is looking nice little by little. So I will close, I will make it fade in. Okay, background size, cover, background position, center. I think that is all I need to do here. Yeah, that's all I need to do. I'll close this place. So I'll come to background overlay. In background overlay, this classic, this gradient. I'll pick gradient because I want to color. Now the first color I will be picking is, I think I should pick pink, and let me just pick something color. First color here, okay. First color here, I'm gonna make it red. White second color here, I'm gonna make it 2B002F. Let me see how it look like. Yeah, cool. But I want a little bit, right? Leave it like this. Yeah, I think I like it like this. So I'll come here, I'll bring this text, I'll drag it here. So let me copy the text I have here. Ctrl C, I'll copy it, I'll paste it here. If you look at this, they are different, they are in different page here. But if you look at it, they are on the same line here. Yeah, what happened is that on normal ground, this thing is this is how it look like. Well, I put a, this one is the one we have here is italic. So I use some code here. So to put italic, you just put here can you see everything is in italic now? But I want this one, I want this to be sneaker and business shoe. Yeah, I want this one to start from the next line. So I'll just put a short code here, BR, this one, and close it. Can you see now? That's cool. So I'll come to style. To style them, I will click here and make it white. I'll come to my typography. I will pick Montserrat. Don't forget that is what I use. I make it of Montserrat. This is it. So I click on it. I can make it of 65. Okay. Let me make it of 45. 45 is okay. Yeah, I want it. I can just leave this like that, yeah. So I want to give it a padding of maybe like 40. padding of 40/40 everywhere. Yeah, I'm okay like this. So guys, let's see. I think it's okay. It's okay like this. Yeah, we're moving. So I'm gonna close this back a little bit. So I'm gonna come here to add a button to it. Button. There's the button. Where is the? I think what we have here, view your product now. So I'm gonna come here and paste it here. View your product now, and I'm going to come to my site, copy this shop link, copy the link, copy, come back to here, paste the link here. So I want to change the color. I'll change the color to red, or I can make it of two gradient color. Text color, I'll make it of gradient. So this gradient will be, I will want here to be red. Let me pick this red, and I can select this, and I will make here to be a little bit darker. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Let me see with this one. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Or is it dark? Let me just go by this. Or let me use 2B002F. Yeah, 2B00. Okay, 002F. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Yeah. So guys, I don't like this color. Alright, 2B002F. Yeah, this is the color I'm talking about. So I think it's okay like this. So I'm going to give it a padding of 40/40. 40. Now what I'm going to do now is that I want this to be a little bit close. I'm going to come to here, unlink this place, and come to here and give it a -60. -60. No, maybe let me make it -70. Yeah. So that's cool. So I think it's okay like this. So guys, I'm sorry, I have a call. So I believe you can see now we are done with the hero section. The next section we need to do is to come here, click on this button. So click on this one and give it a top and margin of 50/50. So come to advanced, give it a top and margin of 50/50. Can you see it now? Now come back here, drag a short code. Just drag a short code. Just drag it here. Once you drag it here, leave that place, come to this place. Okay, let me just make this of here. Just click here. Okay, let me just click here. Just say WooCommerce short code. Can you see it? Just click on it. Make sure you click on the first short code. Can you see this first one? Click on it. This is what you click. So when you click on it, you will go and look for it will take you to a place where you can search for the short code you want. But see, if you are to begin to look for short code, there is thousands of short code there. There is a lot of short code there, so I don't have the patience. All I need to do is to type Ctrl F on your laptop. Once you type Ctrl F on your laptop, just start search for feature image. Okay, feature image. Feature image. Now, once you get to this place, just scroll down a little bit. You will see the short code. Where the short code is feature image short code. Okay. Oh, I didn't get this stuff very well. Okay, let me just search for it. Oh, features. Okay, I want to go and type features image. So all this, just type this. Once you do, if you don't have time, you can just come here. Next time, just put in your Control F and paste it here. You take it directly to this place. So once you are here, you can then from here copy whatever thing you want to do. What you want to copy. Wait till where I go again. Oh shit. Sorry, Jare. Yeah, this is a feature product. Now all you need to do is just to copy this short code. Shey you see this short code under feature product, copy it and come back here and paste the short code here. Paste the short code here. Once you paste the short code, automatically your feature product will be here. But the featured product with star, it is theory. I think I showed you guys here when we were styling it now. It is just theory. Let me come to my dashboard and show you. It is just theory, but it's showing, can you see, it's showing all the theory here. So what I want to do is that instead of it showing like this, I will come to this place. This where you see 2 here, just clean it and change it to theory. So it automatically change to theory now. Can you see now? Fine, this is what we are looking for. So I will click on update. Now let me show you. I think I'm trying to show you something here. Product or product. Now you will see all the product we start. Can you see this is all the product, this under and these 2 here. These 2. Can you see the picture here? And these are the one we have here now. Can you see? Now we are done now. Let's move forward. We don't have much time. Let's go. We want to do this section now again now. This section. So what I'm going to do now is that you are going to just see, as a web designer, you must be very, very smart. Just copy this place. Ctrl C. Click on copy and come here. Scroll down and come to this place and paste it here. We have the same section here. So the first thing you need to do is to edit. Come here, click on edit. We have 600. We'll reduce this to like, instead of 600, we reduce it to like 400. 400. Now it's okay like this. Now what do we have here? We have classic business shoe, but this is 2 different things. So I'm going to come here and here paste it here. Classic. Can you see now? So I will duplicate it. Duplicate. Now once I duplicate it, I will come here again. Business shoe. Copy it again. Come to this place. Paste it under this duplicate. So here, paste it here. Business shoe. Now don't forget that the space is a little bit. So come here and give it a negative 60 or 70 minus 80. Exactly. Can you see it now? Minus 80. Let's see how close they are. Or we can even make it minus 90. I prefer minus 90. Minus 90 is okay. So I will come to style. I will reduce the font size to like 35. 35, yeah. So I will come to this particular view product now. I will edit it. Just click on this button here. In case you may be confused, so this is one button here, one. This is another one here again. This is another one here again. Shall you see now? And this is the third one here. So you will come to this place. Now I want this place to, should we drag it up a little bit? I think it's okay like that, yeah. So I want to change this text here to buy now. Or get now. No, buy now. Let's use buy now. Buy now. Oh, there's something I want to add to it. Let me come here. Icon library. Put in your stuff here. Your shop. Search for shop. I hope I'm not too fast. So click this stuff. Insert it. So I will do the same thing for this guy also. Come to this place. Do the same thing for each shop. Picture of this. Insert it. Then we cool. So the next thing we can do now is that, now before you start doing another thing, click on responsive, because we'll be making use of copy and paste, so we need to click on a responsive so that we can make all this site look responsive before we move forward. Before that, another thing, you know, this is still slider, but we don't want slider here. We come here, click on this three store, come to style and remove this, delete this, delete, we don't need it here. Come to classic, click classic and upload the image you want. So since we are talking about classic business shoe, I will scroll down here. I think I have a picture of a business shoe here. Yeah, this one. This is what I'll be using. I'll click on select. So, and I'll put it in center. And I'll put the attachment to face. And I'll put the repeat to no repeat. And I'll put the display size to cover. Hope you are seeing it now. So that's all we need to do here now. Now I will need to go and look at the responsive mode. Let's see how it is on tablet. So on tablet is okay like this. I love this. Let's see how it look on mobile. So let's start from here. And I didn't really like this on mobile. I'm going to come here. I'm going to change this. Change the text to like it's on mobile now. I can change it to 35. Let me just put it 35. Yeah, 35. Let's make it 30. Yeah, it's okay. I think it's okay like this. So I will reduce this size to, like on mobile, I will reduce the size to like 400. Yeah, 400 is okay. So I will scroll down. This one is okay. So I will come here again. I didn't really like this. I will reduce it a little bit. So I will come here. Let's start from here. This classic. Come to style. I will reduce it to a little bit, like 40. And I will come to business shoe. I will change business shoe to like 25. Let me just say 25. Yeah, it's okay like this. So now I will reduce this one to like what's the card? I will use this one to like let me just make it 300. So I'll click on update now. So anything I'm copying from here now will follow the normal stuff. So now the next thing I'm going to do now here is that I'm going to copy this page again now. I'm going to copy it, Ctrl C, and I'm going to come here and paste here. Don't forget, we are talking about classic business shoe. So I want this place to be category. So I will come to under this short code. I will go and look for category. Now can you see, this is a specific category. This is a short code for you to use. So I copy all this short code, Ctrl C. I will come here. I will come to here and I'll click on this pencil. So once I click on this pencil, I will paste it here, Ctrl V, and I will change this card. You know, it won't show anything because we don't have this category on our site. Now, we don't have this category on our site, so it won't show. So the first thing I want to put here is business shoe. This is the category number 1. Let me show you up here. This is not our site, but you know, this is our site rather. We have a business shoe here. So this business shoe, I want to put something nice here. So I will come here to my Elementor and I will type under this hoodies and t-shirt. I will just clean it and put business and apostrophe hyphen or dash rather, business shoe. So automatically, can you see now all the business should show up? So but if you look at it, they have it's not really okay. because it's still showing that there's still a space here, and that is because we have column 4. I will change the column to column 3 to 3. So can you see now? And I will copy this buy now that we have here. I didn't change the link. I will change the link to a what is it called, business shoe. Copy the link of business shoe and I will paste it here. Paste it here. Now I will copy this place now again. Ctrl C. I will scroll down and paste it here. I want to do for the second category. Now what is the second category we have? We have the second category is after business shoe we do for sneakers. So I will just copy all this. Copy all this, Ctrl C, come to here and paste it here. Under this classic, I will paste this here, and under this business shoe, I will come here and copy this sneakers. Ctrl C. I'll just paste it here. Seriously like that. I will change this button to sneakers categories. This is sneakers category. Copy the link, copy link, and I will come here and I will paste the link here. Now the next thing I need to do now is to come to this place, copy it and scroll down and paste it here. Paste. You'll be having corporate here. So click on this pencil and change this category that you put here to sneakers. Change it to sneakers. So immediately you change it to sneakers, can you see that all the sneakers show up? So what do you need to do? You click on save or update. Sorry, my battery is low. Let me just on the gen. So guys, I'm sorry, I'm back again. Now my laptop is charging, so we can continue. Now we have done with the sneaker stuff. So what we need to do now is to do the third category. Copy here, Ctrl C. So I'm gonna paste it here again. We want to do for the, what is it called? Paste. We want to do for this third category is sandals. So let me copy the sandal link. Copy link. I'm going to come to this place, and let's start for the button first. I just change this one to order now so that you look as if we are putting the same thing. Order now. Change the link. Change the link to this, and I will change this wording. So let me come here and see what I put here. You can use anything. You can use any wording there. You feel like, oh, there's something I need to even edit. Let me copy this, Ctrl C. So paste. Oh, sorry. Paste. So why this one is slippers and sandals. So I will come here and I'll post it under here. I'll put it there. Now I want to change this shoe to slippers picture or sandals picture. So I'll click on this place and I will scroll down for sandals. I think I have a nice sandals picture. I can make it up. Okay, let me mix up this. Let me check out this now before I know what to say. I don't like this. So you can just pick this. So once you pick this, click on select. So I think to some extent I love this. No, I don't like this. Let me see what I use there. Okay. Let me use the first one I said I don't like them. Let me just make some of this. I think, yeah, I think it's okay like this. So if another thing I want to do again, I want to change this place also. Here should be sneakers, not corporate shoe. So let me change the stuff here. So actually, in case you don't want, if you don't want to take, if you don't want to pass through all this stress, all I need to do is that I have the template, and I'll be telling you how to get the template. All you just need to do is just to install the template, and you have everything straightforward. So you don't need to pass through all this stress of creating it from the scratch. So yeah, I think it's okay here now. Now the last thing we need to do now is to copy this one again. If you notice, most of our work has been copying and paste, but we just need to change some little code. Copy and come here again, just paste it here, and if you look at it, we still have the shoe here, so we're gonna come here, change the categories from sneakers to what I think sandal. Yeah, sandal. Exactly. Now but if you look at it, it's showing three stuff, but we only have two sandal. So just come here and reduce it to two, so to make it more nice and attractive. So can you see now? I think it's a little bit okay like this. So we have done with building the site from scratch to the end. And if you check the site now, what you need to do is to update. If you check the site, let's check on the mobile view, let's see how it look like. But I can assure you the site will be, can you see, very nice, okay, and awesome. So that is how to build your e-commerce website from scratch. We don't use any template, and yes, we have something nice like this. So guys, I think all I need to do is just to join this video with the first video I did, whereby I have issue with my what's it called, my video recording. So I'll just join them and upload them at once. So what else, guy? We're done. So come here, let's refresh our site and let's test. Let's refresh, Control R, and let's see what we're having here. So because of times, I won't be doing the contact us page. I believe you should know what should be on contact us pages, and if I've been following my video on YouTube for a couple of times, you should know how to create a simple contact us page. So guys, we're done now. We're done with site. It's okay. Now the only thing we need to do is that we need to integrate it with payment. When people make a payment, the money will be coming into our account details and the likes like that. So let's do that simple. Let's do that straightforward. So let's go to our backend, which is our dashboard, and let's go to WooCommerce. When you go to WooCommerce, come to setting, click on setting. So once you click on setting, you wait for it to load. Just fill in your contact details here and the likes. So one of the things I want to do is that I want to change this country to Nigeria, so that I will be making use of Nigerian naira. Let's type N, Nigeria. So let me just scroll down. A little bit. Nigeria, where's Nigeria? Nigeria, my fatherland. So let me look for Nigeria and Lagos. Nigeria and Lagos. So wait, I'm not seeing Nigeria and Lagos here. Well, let me just pick Nigeria and Abuja. In your case, you will see it there, but I don't have the time to be looking for it because this video will be long and I don't want it to be long. So once you are done with that, click on save changes. Yeah, you wait now. You need to change the currency to naira, not dollar. Just change it to N. Nigerian naira, N I G. Okay, this is Nigerian naira. Yeah. Now click on save changes. So once you are done with save changes, you need to go to the next page. Come to payment. That is the next page. I think is very important here. But when you get to this payment page, all we need to do now is to configure the kind of payment we want on our website. When people want to buy maybe sneakers or shoe or any type of stuff they want to buy on our website. How do we want to collect our payment? Do we want to make it a direct bank transfer, check payment, or cash on delivery and the like? The first thing is that I'm going to start with cash on delivery. If you don't like it, it's not a must, you can leave that, but let's just start with that. So I'm going to click on save changes. If you don't like it, you can leave that, save changes. So, and after that again, I will go to the next pages, which is the use of ATM card. Now all you need to do is just to wait a little bit. You will see the stuff there. You can see now, you see this showing here, this paper and paste tag. But you know, if you are in African, I advise you to use paste tag. But if you are in maybe outside the country, maybe Europe or any other country you feel like, you can make use of paper. So for this video tutorial, I'm making use of paste tag. So, and you can use Stripe, but for this video tutorial, and if you want to follow what I do, just make use of paste tag. So click on get started. So when you click on get started, automatically it will install the paste tag store for you. So all you need to do is just to wait a little bit for it to load. So let's wait for it to load. Now it has loaded. Now the first thing you need to do is to enable. When you enable, that means you are telling, okay, paste tag, I want to be using I want to use paste tag on my site. Then if you are you can use debit or credit card. Yeah. Now firstly, if you want to make it live mode is that when people use their ATM, they must pay. But you know, for the sake of tutorial sake, we just go with test. But if you are not doing test, untick this. If you are not doing test, but if you are doing test, click on this. And for now, I'm doing test because I won't have money. I don't have any money to buy anything. I'm the one designing it. So I'll come to my Paystack account. In case you don't have a Paystack account, I have a video tutorial on my YouTube channel whereby you can watch on how to create a Paystack account. So it's on my YouTube channel. So I just click on this one and log in. So let's wait for it to take us to the place. So just come here and wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, just click on log into your account. So let's just wait a little bit. Let me see this. Yeah. Yeah, on my YouTube channel, just come to playlist. So once you come to playlist, you will see all the videos I have and the like. So here you can just come to this web design tutorial. You will see the video on Paystack here. So let me log in here so I can do what I want to do. What time? So immediately I click on login, it automatically take me and log into the account I want to use. So I'll just come to my profile here. Come to profile, click on profile, come to this place. Once you come to this place, you click on profile. So this is your profile now. We don't need anything there, just come to API key. That is what we need now. So when you get to this API key, don't forget we are doing test for now. So if you are using live, you copy this live secret key and live publish key. But I'm using test. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come to my test secret key. This is it. I'm just going to click on this and copy it. So when I copy it, I will come to my WooCommerce setting here, paste the test secret key here, and I'll go and copy my test public key. This is the test public key. Just copy it. So once you copy it, come to WooCommerce setting here, paste it here also, and we are done. Now the next thing I want is going to ask you, how do you want it? Is it okay? No, not this. What is the next thing? I think there's payment option. You need to select, do you want a pop-up or redirect? I prefer pop-up. But when people want to make a payment, it's just pop-up where they can put in their ATM card, and that's all. So I'm going to click on save changes. So guys, we are done. So all we need to do is to check out the site. Let's test run it by ourselves and let's see how it goes. So let me come here and let me refresh. So let's refresh the site and let's see what we have been doing since. So let's wait for it to load. Yeah, this is the site now. Let's assume we want to order a product. Okay, let's assume I'm a sand person. I want to make use of this shoe. Let's assume I want to order this now. Can you see now? I want to order this shoe. And I click on select option. if you notice, you see select option here. Why? Because this shoe have different size and different color. That is why you are seeing select option. If it is for other one, you just see normal add to cart. So next thing I'm like, okay, I like this shoe. What color do I like? Okay, I want black. What size? I want size 40. I don't even know my size, but let me just pick 42. So I'm just click on add to cart. So once I click on add to cart, it will take me to where I can see take me to view cart. So I'm going to click on view cart. So when I click on view cart, next thing is that I'm going to come here to show me, okay, proceed to checkout. So I'm going to click on this. And immediately I click on proceed to checkout, it's going to ask me to fill in my details, because you know this is it's not a online product, it's a physical product. So I need to enter my details here so that they can be, if anybody want to deliver the goods to me, that is what I will use to follow up. And just put in my details here, my email here. They can call me, okay, we have seen your product, blah blah blah. If you have any additional information you want to pass across, maybe like note about your order, special note for delivery, so you can put it there. And after that, you come here. Do you want to make a payment through cash on delivery? If you don't want it, please just take it away from the WooCommerce setting. And I'm just I want to make it on my debit card. So you're gonna ask me, okay, no problem. I'm gonna click on place order. So when I click on place order now, it's gonna ask me, it's gonna take me to where I can put in my ATM details to place my order. So let's wait for it to load. Now this is it. Now you can make use of any, we are using test mode, so we can just make use of any of this. If you want to do bank transfer, USD code, all the stuff. But because we are doing test mode now, just put in your Visa card here and click on make a payment. And once you make the payment, it will show you the payment successful. Let's wait for it to load. And that's just basically payment successful. So that is basically how to go about it, and that is how to go about everything. So guys, I think we are done, but there's something I noticed about it, that I want to do something on customize. Let me just go to customization and do that fast. So in case you need this template, let me just convert this to template. If you want to convert this to template, just come here, just come to here under this update, click on this save option, click on it and click on save as a template. So just put the template name. Let's just put sneakers template. So click on save. So let me just insert it. I want to download it. Oh, sorry, I'm not inserting anything. I want to download it already. You can export me to download. So it will download it for us. I will tell you how to use the template in case you need the template. Don't forget, I tell you that if you can wait till the end of this video, I'm going to give you a gift on how to, and probably that might be my gift, I don't know. So maybe just wait. So guys, let me just close there. I think I've done that now. Let me close this. I don't need it again. Now let me show you how to upload that stuff. Okay, let's admit you want to come to your pages, all pages, in case you want to use the stuff. So let me make use of contact pages, contact us page. Click on edit. I'm done with the building. I'm done with the building of the website. And then I'll show you how you can upload the templates. So, and you can see how it will be very easy. Instead of you wasting your time doing all those things we're doing, you can just make use of this template without even stressing yourself. So guys, first thing I want to do is I want to come to title page and disable this. And I'll click on edit with Elementor. Okay, disable. So I will click on update. So once I update it, I'll click on edit with Elementor. So I just want to show you how to use this. So let me pause the video too. Now these contact us pages. Now what you need to do is just, if you want to make use of the stuff, once you click on your edit with Elementor, just come to this box. Can you see this box? Click on this and click on my template. You will not see anything here. In your own case, you will not see anything here. So you just come here and click on upload. Can you see now? You are not seeing anything. Just click on upload. Can you see it? Import. So you click on select file. And once you click on select file, it will take you to your own store. What's it called? your laptop where you have all those files. Just come to this place, come to download. You just download it. Come to download. So once you come to download, you will see the stuff here. This is it. Just click on it and open. And that's all. And click on enable and import. That's all. Just wait for it to upload. In the next 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's done. So guys, can you notice it now? I'm looking for how to check the time. This is what we just upload now. Just click on insert and click on apply. So you will see it will insert everything and apply it, and you will even see any difference between the one we did and the one we are doing now. So that is how basically how to go about everything. Can you see now? Can you see? Do you see any difference? You just need to wait for it to load everything, and once you load everything, just click on update. Click on update. So once you click on update, just click on update. Now once it's updated, now come and check. Just click on preview. Now let's preview this one. This is under contact page now. This is under our contacts. Now if you preview, look at everything now. Can you see difference between this site and the one with and the home page and this one here? Can you see that there's no difference at all? There's no difference. So instead of you wasting much of your time, trying to do all those things, you can just do it with just little. Within 5 minutes, we are done. We are done. So guys, being a web designer is very good, but you just need to know the fast method of designing a website. And you can see, and this site you can collect like 100k, 150k, 200k from your client, and within just few minutes you are done. Within maximum of 2-3 hours you are done. So it's very good to know what you're doing. So that's why I believe by now, be my student, you should be able to create a site like this from scratch. So sometimes when I tell you that I built from scratch, it's not joke, it's real. So that's it. What do we need to do? I said I want to do something. Let me come to this place. Let me close this place. I don't do it again. Yeah, I want to do something. Yeah, customize. Yeah, I want to do customization. It's not a must. I just feel like let me just do it. So let's wait for it to load. Now guys, I want to do something from this. What I want to do is the sidebar. If you notice, when we get to the when we come to this place the other time, let me show you something. Let's zoom in. Okay, let me show you from here. Let me just show you from here. Let's assume you click on this show option, select option. You will see a sidebar. So that is what I just feel like. Maybe I just teach you how to remove it. This sidebar, I don't like it. So you can just come here, the sidebar. Let me just see it. Let me see where it is. I can just remove it. Straightforward. Sidebar is not here. Top bar. No. Black. Let me check. Single post. Yeah, single post. Make it like this. Publish. No sidebar. I don't even like all those sidebar. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this now. Yeah, I'm okay with this now. So let me come back again to single post, blog entry. I don't want to see any sidebar there. So let me check again. Okay, let me go back. Then option, page title, scroll to top, pagination. Let me check this page title. Is there anything like sidebar here? Let me check. Okay, I'm not sure. Team up button, performance. Let me check it. I don't know So guys, I'm just trying to look. I don't want any sidebar or page type too. I think we've done about that. I don't like sidebar master widget. Let me check it. Okay, how do you want this? Okay, menu site identity. Yeah, there's something again, site identity. If you look at our site, it's not having any site identity here. So I want to put an icon there, select icon. So I have a picture is there, so you don't need to worry. So I'll be giving you access to the picture. Don't worry about that. This is a picture for our site bar. This should. So it's just select it. So you see it very well fitted. And if you have anything you want to use, but make sure you follow this site 512 by 512. So now let me check. Let me refresh here first. The sidebar is still here. I don't want any sidebar. Okay, I'm coming. Let me pause this video. Now, guys, yeah, what I did is what I need to do is just to click on this pencil. So you see, I think this will be one of the way to help us. Just click on this pencil, I guess. You take us to where we have it. So I'll just click on remove sidebar. Remove. So I will click on this also. So immediately I click on this, it will also take me to, okay, this is a blog post. I will delete this one naturally. I should be able to, okay. I will take away this. I will take away this because I don't want sidebar. Remove. Come here again. Remove. So, who is that? So since I've removed them now, if you notice that all of them are removed, but yet it's still like the sidebar is still showing. So what I need to do first, let me first publish here. So I will come back here again a little bit. So I will come to default sidebar, or should I say WooCommerce sidebar here, and I will wait for it. That's why I hate this Oceanwp, making it difficult for me to remove the sidebar. Okay, let me come to page sidebar, on page setting. So guys, I think that is going to look like. I have to look at these things. I cannot find this sidebar. So that is just basically, thank you. We know all this stuff is no longer showing here again. So I think that is the only changes I want to show to you guys. First time of using Oceanwp. So guys, that's basically everything. Thank you very much for joining me in this video tutorial. To get the template, you can actually reach out to me. And if you have any comment or any video you want me to do, you can please comment on the video section. Let me know so I can work on it. And if there's any other issue, anything, feel free to reach out to me anytime. And this is my number, 09035382271, or maybe I should just put it here. I believe many of you will actually know my number, but let me just put it here, 09035382271. Can you see? 09035382271. That's my phone number in case you want to, and it's also my WhatsApp number in case you want to reach out to me. So I've touched the template in case you want to get the template. So basically that's everything. I believe you love what you're saying. You like the e-commerce website. So this is how you can build your website for your business, for any organization, and collect your huge amount of money for free. So guys, this is love you. Don't forget, Jesus loves you guys, and he has a very good plan for you. As a web designer, I used to say it, one of the major success I've had is based on the fact that Jesus is helping me. So I will encourage you as a young coming web designer or as a professional web designer to give your life to Christ, to place your business in the hand of Christ, and be developing yourself on a daily basis. So thank you very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. Bye.